In the heart of Africa, a nation reborn. Three stories, one vision. Ubuntu, I am because we are.
Whispered, for Afrikstan, for my people.
Mom, I got the scholarship.
I stand before you, once a laborer, now your guide. In Ubuntu we trust. Remember, the least shall become the exalted. We are Africans, no matter our education, religious affiliation, or tribe.
Together we rise, spoken very softly.
Our strength lies in our unity.
Afrikstan rises not on the backs of the few, but on the shoulders of us all.
Afrikstan, where Ubuntu rebuilds a nation one life at a time.